Good day, students. Yeah, welcome to the class SED 413. We have come to the fourth lesson on science, technology, and society. Our topic today is going to be global warming. And at the end of the lesson, we are going to describe what is global warming. We're going to explain what greenhouse effect is. We are going to list the gases which constitute greenhouse gases. We are going to explain what causes global warming in our society. We should be able to describe the impact of global warming to the society and also to discuss the solutions to prevent global warming. My name is Olawale Mutiatu today. Stay tuned and enjoy the lesson. Welcome back. Since the Industrial Revolution, the global annual temperature has increased in total by a little more than 1 degree Celsius or about 2 degrees Fahrenheit. Between 1880, the year that accurate record keeping began, and in 1980, the temperature rose on average by 0.07 degrees Celsius every 10 years. And for the last 40 years, we have seen the global annual temperature rise by 0.18 degrees Celsius or 0.32 degrees Fahrenheit per decade. Now, let's look at the meaning of global warming. The term global warming refers to the increase in the average temperature of global surface air and oceans as a result of natural events that human activities carry out. Then the term global warming is used to describe a gradual increase in average temperature of Earth's atmosphere and its ocean. Then a change that is believed to be permanently changing the Earth's climate. Greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is the rise in temperature on Earth as certain gases in the atmosphere trap the Earth's radiated energy. Energy from the sun drives the Earth's weather and climate and heats the Earth's surface. In turn, Earth radiates same energy back into space. Then some atmospheric gases like water vapor, carbon dioxide, trap some of the radiated energy, retaining heat, somewhat like the gas panels of a greenhouse. That is, this term is called greenhouse effect. There are 6 main greenhouse gases, which are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen oxide, hydrogen fluorocarbons, perfluorocarbons, and sulfur hexafluoride. All these 3 are industrial gases, and the last one is water vapor. This impact of global warming to the society are as follows. The rapid changes in global temperature, extreme weather patterns, extreme weather events on the increase, ecosystem impacts, habitat inundation, increase in pests and diseases, and falling agricultural outputs. All this increase world hunger. Look at the impact of global warming on the screen. This is the flood that is already covering the bridge. Also on the screen, we have the impact of global warming. This is after the erosion has already occurred in the society. Another impact is, look at the plants on the screen. See, they are not looking the way they are supposed. Some are green, some are turning brown already. These are the bad impact global warming is having on our plants. Now, causes of global warming. Most of global warming are caused by increasing concentration of greenhouse gases that are produced by human activities. Most of these gases come from combustion of fossil fuels in cars, factories, and electricity production. Carbon dioxide is the gas that most responsible for global warming. The second one is different greenhouse gases. We have different greenhouse gases that have different heat trapping ability. A molecule of methane produced by more than 20 times the warming of molecule of carbon dioxide. Then nitrogen oxide has 300 times more heat trapping ability than carbon dioxide, while the fluorocarbons have heat trapping potential thousands of times greater than carbon dioxide. Then the third one is greenhouse gases that is in the atmosphere are like a blanket that keeps the earth warm. This protective blanket helps make the planet habitable. But over the past 200 years, we found out that humans have greatly increased the level of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere by burning fossil fuels like oil and coal. This is throwing on a second blanket, causing temperature to rise. The fourth one is the major cause of global warming. Is an increase in amount of long-lived greenhouse gases in the Earth atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is the major cause as we burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas for energy or create pastures and plantation. Carbon dioxide accumulates over and overloads the atmosphere. Then the certain waste management and agricultural practice aggravates the problem by releasing other potent global warming gases such as methane and nitrogen oxide. Now, solutions to global warming. We have three solutions here which we want to use in solving the problem that have been created by the global warming. Boosting energy efficiency. The energy used to power, to heat, and cool our homes, also businesses and industries, is the single largest contributor to global warming. Then, increase in energy efficiency must be seen as a crucial part of reducing carbon dioxide emission and minimizing dependence on fossil fuels. The second one is renewable energy. Renewable energy sources such as from water, wind, solar, biomass, geothermal are available around the world. This will play a key role in replacing the world's dependence on fossil fuel-based energy sources like coal, oil, and natural gas, which are non-renewable and are causes of emission of greenhouse gases. The third one is greening transportation. Emission of carbon dioxide from vehicles is at a faster rate. Then reducing the numbers of vehicles on the roads will help by using mass transportation system. Using low carbon fossil fuel will also deliver huge results. For example, if you are going around in the locality You don't need to, it's not every time we make use of the vehicles or the machines that will still bring out the carbon monoxide. We can, as a result of that, we can use our bicycles. Also, we should try as much as possible to plant trees in the surrounding. Now, let's recap. Number one, we said global warming. Global warming, it refers to the increase in the average temperature of global surface air and ocean as a result of natural events and human activities. Greenhouse effects. Greenhouse effect is the rise in temperature on Earth as certain gases in the atmosphere are trapped on Earth's radiated energy. The gases that constitute greenhouse effects are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen, hydrogen fluorocarbons, perfluorocarbons, sulfur hexafluoride, and water vapor. Causes of global warming. We say most of the global warming are being caused by increasing concentration of greenhouse gases that are produced by human activities. Also, we describe the impact of global warming into the society. We saw the flood, the plants are turning brown, and so on and so forth. Then the next one is that we found the solution. We looked at the solution to prevent global warming, which are boosting of energy efficiency, renewable energy, and greening transportation. Thanks for listening. We have come to the end of the lesson. My name once again is Olawale Mutiat Yetunde, National Open University of Nigeria. My phone number is written here, and also email address is yolawale@noun.edu.ng.